Hi students, in the morning class, in the first class, already we have started haloalkanes and halogens topic, and in that class we have discussed the definition of haloalkane. So I hope you have understood the definition of haloalkanes. Now in this class, I am going to discuss the classification of haloalkanes. So next concept is classification of haloalkanes. Classification of haloalkane. Classification of haloalkanes. So haloalkanes are classified on the basis of number of halogen atoms present. Number of halogen atoms present. And this is first classification. Haloalkanes, they are classified on the basis of number of halogen atoms present, and also they are classified on the basis of hybridization. On the basis of hybridization. So haloalkanes, they are classified on the basis of number of halogen atoms present, and also they are classified on the basis of hybridization of carbon atom. Hybridization of carbon atom. So we'll discuss one by one now. The first classification, it is based on number of halogen atoms present. So I'll discuss first one. Based on number of halogen atoms present, haloalkanes, they are classified into monohaloalkane. Monohaloalkanes. This is first classification. Second classification, dihaloalkanes. Dihaloalkanes. Third one, trihaloalkanes. Trihaloalkanes. And fourth one, that is tetrahaloalkanes. Tetrahaloalkanes. So based on number of halogen atoms present, haloalkanes, they are classified into four groups: monohaloalkanes, dihaloalkanes, trihaloalkanes, and tetrahaloalkanes. These monohaloalkanes, they are also named as monohalogen derivatives of alkanes. Monohalogen derivatives. Monohalogen derivatives of alkanes. Monohaloalkanes, they are also called as monohalogen derivatives of alkanes. Similarly, dihalogen derivatives of alkanes, trihalogen derivatives of alkane, and tetrahalogen derivatives of alkanes. What are same? Monohaloalkanes, monohalogen derivatives of alkanes; dihaloalkanes, dihalogen derivatives of alkanes; trihaloalkanes, or you can call it is trihalogen derivatives of alkanes; and last one, tetrahaloalkanes, or you can call it is tetrahalogen derivatives of alkanes. So this classification is based on number of halogen atoms present. We'll take definitions for each now. So first one, that is monohaloalkane. Monohaloalkane. So what are monohaloalkanes and example for monohaloalkanes? As the name itself indicates, mono means single, only one. Monohalo ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು halogen atom present ಇದೆ. See, I'll write some examples here. CH3Cl, only one halogen atom present. CH3Br, only one halogen atom is present. See, only one halogen atom is present. So definition of monohaloalkanes means these are the haloalkanes. Simple definition. These are the haloalkanes in which only one halogen atom is present. These are the haloalkanes in which only one halogen atom is present. So this is one definition. I'll give one more definition. These are the compounds, monohaloalkanes means these are the compounds formed by replacement of only one hydrogen atom from alkane by only one halogen atom. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಅಲ್ಕೇನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಕೇನ್ದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you get new type of compound. Those new type of compounds, they are called as a monohaloalkanes. So here definitions ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. So definition number 1 ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ these are the haloalkanes in which only one halogen atom is present. Definition number 2, these are the compounds formed by replacement of only one hydrogen atom from alkane by only one halogen atom. And these are the some examples of monohaloalkane. Methyl chloride, CH3 means methyl, methyl chloride, methyl bromide, and C2H5Cl, C2H1 the ethyl group adu, so ethyl chloride. So these are the some examples of monohaloalkanes. So I hope it is clear. So this is monohaloalkane. We'll move to second classification now. Dihaloalkanes. Dihaloalkanes. So again, as the name itself indicates, di means it's a two. Dihalo, andರಲ್ಲಿ two halogen atoms present ಇದೆ. So two halogen atoms present ಇದೆ. See example. CH2Cl. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅದೇ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಡೈಹ್ಯಾಲೋಲ್ಕೇನ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ these are the haloalkanes, these are the haloalkanes in which two halogen atoms are present, in which two halogen atoms are present. This is one example. Definition number 2, these are the compounds formed by, these are the compounds formed by replacement of two hydrogen atoms from alkane by two halogen atoms. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಅಲ್ಕೇನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಅದರಿಂದ ಎರಡು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you get new type of compounds, and those new type of compounds they are called as a dihaloalkanes or monohalogen derivatives of alkanes. I hope it is clear. And name of this compound is methylene dichloride. Methylene dichloride. CH2 means it's a methylene. ಎರಡು chlorine ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ so methylene dichloride is the name of compound. Now I'll move to third classification now. Trihaloalkanes. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಇವಾಗ ಟ್ರೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 3, ಹೆಲೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್. CHCl3, 3 ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. CHBr3, CHI3. So these are the some examples of trihaloalkanes. So what are trihaloalkanes then? These are the haloalkanes. These are the haloalkanes in which 3 halogen atoms are present. These are the haloalkanes in which 3 halogen atoms are present. This is definition number 1. And definition number 2, these are the compounds formed by replacement of 3 hydrogen atoms from alkane by 3 halogen atoms. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಅಲ್ಕೇನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಅಲ್ಕೇನ್ದ ಇನ್ನು 3 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಬರೋದು. ದೋಸ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ trihaloalkanes, and these are the examples. CHCl3 means it is a chloroform. You ಕೇಳಿರಬಹುದು already, chloroform. This is called as bromoform, and this is called as iodoform. So these are the some examples of trihaloalkanes. Next, we'll move to last classification now. Tetrahaloalkanes means, tetra means it is a 4. There are 4 halogen atoms present irtavale. Okay, say CCl4, CF4, CI4. So see here, there are 4 halogen atoms are there. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 halogen atom ಇರೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 halogen atom ಇದಾವೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 halogen atoms. So these are the examples of tetrahaloalkanes. Means definition, these are the haloalkanes in which 4 halogen atoms are present. These are the haloalkanes in which 4 halogen atoms are present. Or second definition, these are the compounds formed by replacement of 4 hydrogen atoms from alkane by 4 halogen atoms. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಅಲ್ಕೇನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಅದರಾಗಿರುವಂಥ 4 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you get new type of compounds, and those new type of compounds they are called as tetrahaloalkanes or tetrahalogen derivatives of alkanes. And these are the examples: CCl4, CF4, CI4. Carbon tetrachloride, carbon tetrafluoride, carbon tetraiodide. These are the some examples. So you have taken what are monohaloalkanes, what are dihaloalkanes, what are trihaloalkanes, and what are tetrahaloalkanes. Definition, 2 definitions along with the examples. And one note I want to give you, in some textbook they have given di, tri and tetrahaloalkanes. Di, tri and tetrahaloalkanes, they are commonly named as polyhaloalkanes. They are commonly named as polyhaloalkanes or polyhalogen derivatives of alkanes they have given. So both are same, di, tri and tetrahalogen derivatives of alkanes. Okay, they are commonly named as polyhaloalkanes. So only definitions and examples. So once in examination they are asked question, give example for polyhalogen derivatives of alkanes. So you can give the examples, and this classification is purely based on a number of halogen atoms present. 1 halogen monohaloalkane, 2 halogen dihaloalkane, 3 halogen atom trihaloalkane, 4 halogen atom tetrahaloalkanes. So this is classification based on number of halogen atoms present. So I hope it is clear. Make it perfect. Thank you.